Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host Ida, and tonight we are filming our hot beverage station. So grab your tea, your coffee, hot apple cider or hot chocolate, and come on back here with me to see my hot beverage station for this fall winter season. Without further ado, my coffee station. Fam, so here we have it. We have our coffee station or tea station for me, and I'm just showing you the K-cup holder. I have this little owl that has all the different types of coffees and lattes in it, and I have a apothecary jar that's filled with fillers that has the lemon and the greenery in it, the succulents, and I just like that touch of greenery over there. And then we have the curette, and then right here is a stirrer holder. And guys, all this stuff except for that pumpkin cup and that has the apple cider in it, and the fall cup that has latte, and the fall in love that has the hot chocolate cup, all the other things, decorative things, come from Family Dollar. I just love the oranges and the traditional colors that I have in the kitchen, and I love this candle, vanilla pumpkin, and I got that from TJ Maxx. And this candle, guys, it smells delightful, and it really covers the whole house. 3,000 plus square footage. It's in the kitchen, and I can smell it all the way upstairs. Now I have this welcome autumn sign, and you and me and our dog has some vanilla creamers in it, but those two pumps on that you see right there, I'm going to use those for creamer and honey. And I like to keep my straws covered until we're going to use them. And the give thanks and the bless thankful other candle that came from Family Dollar as well. The little bouquet of flowers, the vase is from a thrift store, and all the floors are from Dollar Tree. And you see the pumpkin back there has my different tea packs in it, and the little creamer thing has the sugars in it. So yeah, I just think that is a real touch. I'm gonna have the pumpkin and the owl to have creamers and honey in it for seasoning. So yes guys, I love my coffee station, tea station for me, but you know, I have all the hot beverages over here. And guys, I have 2 cabinets full of nothing but teas and coffees and all different types of hot beverages that any one of my guests that comes over, I'm quite sure they can find something that they would love on a cool day where we can just sit out back on the patio or on the front porch in our rockers and just enjoy a hot beverage together. Good times, good laughter, good hot beverages with, you know, your big sweaters. I love this time of season, guys. I've already sat out on the porch twice with my hot beverage and I truly enjoyed it. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed my hot beverage station. Come on over. I'm quite sure we can find you something. And I'm going to show you my favorite tea, which is my chai tea. So I love chai tea with vanilla creamer. So if you want to know what my drink of choice is, that's what it is, guys. And guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this. So if you have, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And remember, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. Ta-ta!